Hey there, it's Losso here, the Assassin. Today I'm going to talk to you about the AI Optimisation Framework we've developed. So it's all about improving your visibility within the AI models. So there's been a bit of a noise around this lately, and a lot of people talking acronyms about improving site structure, schema markup, and a few other bits and pieces. The problem is business owners don't know what all that actually means for their website. What we do differently is start with your customers, not algorithms. We research the real questions people are asking when they're researching with AI, comparing and looking for businesses like yours. Now, what we do is we build out the personas of each of the ideal customer types for your business, and we input that into our research tool. And then we look at how often your business appears in those answers, where competitors appear instead, and why. This framework shows how we turn that insight into clear, practical improvements so AI can understand your business, trust it, and confidently recommend it. This isn't about tricks and shortcuts. It's about making your business the obvious answer when customers ask AI to help. So this is the AI influence framework that we've created. And to start with, we do our AI discovery to get a baseline visibility on all the conversations and where your competitors sit. It gives us a whole range of things that we need to fix in terms of structure, schema, and clarity. You don't need to know about that. It gives us the opportunity to do a complete content audit on all the signals, the mentions, reviews, trusted sources where AI is getting this information from. And then we can look at aligning the narrative so you've got a consistent story across everywhere, because that's one of the issues. If you haven't got that, they won't recommend you. We look at all these FAQs and prompt answers and then devise a system to enable you to be visible for all of those that were relevant. And part of that is to create authority hubs around anchor content for your business. And then with your help in looking at validating all of this information, we can plan a roadmap on how to move forward and fix it all up. So one of the things that comes out is a bit of a leaderboard, which shows this is one of our clients in New Zealand, and they've got a little bit of visibility and they're a bit behind some of the leaders. And there's certainly room for improvement, but they're doing pretty well already. And then we've got all of the tools that we look at. So there's Google Gemini, there's OpenAI's ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google Search's AI overviews, Grok from X, DeepSeek, and Anthropic, which has Claude. So what it does do is it gives us the information we need to structurally enhance your website so that it can be improved. This particular client, same client in New Zealand, has a Shopify site, so that it's not like on our usual core DNA platform. So there's a bit more work for us to do, clean that one up. And then it gives us all of the reviews and directories and everything that it's getting this information from, or we can analyze that against what you're currently in to work out where you need to be aligned. And then it goes through all of the different personas and comes up with the prompts that they're putting in and what's coming, where you're appearing on all of those, if you are at all. And in this case, the report, the appendix to the report is around 800 pages. There's that many prompt answers to review and to consider. And it's a very broad category with lots of products. So that's the main reason for that. So once we've gone through and we've analysed all the information, then we can work on what are the steps that you need to make aligning with your business objectives. And then please remember, we don't need to chase every AI trend. You need to be understood, trusted, and recommended. I'm Rob Lawson, the Digital Assassin, If you go to our website, digitalassassin.co, hit me up, give us a call, book in a time to catch up, and we can discuss how we can get you more visible on all of those AI tools. Thanks.